Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor summer gear with something stable, reliable, and easy to use on the water, this video's definitely for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best paddleboards for lakes chosen for their stability, build quality, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all of the product links in the description down below. We have some amazing options today. Let's get started right now. First up, we've got the Niphean Ultra-Light Inflatable Paddle Board. It's a 10 by 33-inch board that weighs just under 18 pounds, but handles up to 400 pounds. That means you're getting a compact footprint that fits easily in a small car or apartment, yet it's stable enough to hold 2 people or even a 70-pound dog. We love that it comes with 4 interchangeable fins, including a long center stabilizer that makes tracking a breeze. It's a highly versatile option if you're looking to swap the gym for some lake yoga. But it's not all perfect. Pumping this thing up by hand is a massive arm workout, and some users note the pressure gauge on the pump can be glitchy out of the box. Rolling it back up to fit in the bag is also tricky because of how the fin mounts are placed, and the paint might smudge after a season. Still, if you want a complete beginner-friendly kit with a waterproof phone pouch and great stability, it's a smart buy. Just grab an electric pump.
Next, we're checking out the FEATH-R-LITE Inflatable Ultra-Light. This 10'6" board is built for active riders who value a minimalist design without sacrificing durability. It weighs 19 pounds and features a 3-fin setup that offers great balance and maneuverability on calm lake waters. The grippy deck pad provides excellent traction without chafing your feet. It's sturdy enough to support heavier riders up to 340 pounds, making it feel like a tank on the water. Deflating and packing it away takes under 10 minutes, perfect for quick summer weekend trips. On the downside, the included hand pump is going to give you a serious tricep burn, so we highly recommend getting a rechargeable pump. Some paddlers have also reported that the adjustable paddle has a loose connector button that feels cheap. There are also occasional complaints about customer support being tough to reach if a fin goes missing. Overall, it's a lightweight, budget-friendly board that gets you on the water fast. It's ideal for casual paddlers who want no-fuss portability on any calm mountain lake trip.
Now let's look at the iTAOSTAR Inflatable Stable Paddle Board. This 12 by 35-inch giant is a true hybrid, converting into a kayak with its included seat and dual-blade paddle. It packs 5 removable fins, allowing you to customize your glide depending on water depth. With a massive 450-pound capacity, it's incredibly stable. It won't buckle under heavy loads, making it perfect for family outings or paddling with your furry pets. Plus, it comes with extra perks, like a dry bag, camera mount, and safety whistle. But there are a few trade-offs. The entire kit is quite heavy to carry once it's all packed into the backpack. The kayak footrest also feels a bit flimsy, and the integrated cup holder is too small to fit larger tumblers. Some buyers have also faced issues with customer service, not honoring the warranty if purchased through third parties. If you want a highly stable, versatile cruiser that lets you sit or stand comfortably on the water, it's a fantastic choice. It's perfect for your all-day lake adventures.
Our fourth pick is the ZLX TR Long-Distance Paddle Board. If you're looking to cover serious distance, this 11'6" touring board is engineered for speed and tracking. It has a slender, hydrodynamic profile that cuts through chop with minimal resistance. With a massive 500-pound capacity, it can easily support up to 3 riders. It features a removable center fin that offers game-changing balance for beginners, but you can remove it to unlock faster tracking. The double bungee system and 14 D-rings give you plenty of storage. The main catch here is the inflation process. Many users think the pressure gauge is broken because the needle won't budge at first, but you just have to pump it until the board is rock hard before the gauge registers. Hand pumping to 15 psi is exhausting, so an electric pump is a must-have accessory. Also, the double paddle could be a bit longer for taller riders. It's an incredibly solid, high-performing board. It's perfect for adventurers who want to explore very far lake coastlines on their trips.
Finally, we have the Flyroc Inflatable Paddle Board. This 11'6" board is 35 inches wide, making it 3 inches wider than standard boards. That extra width creates an ultra-stable platform that's ideal for beginners, yoga lovers, or anyone paddling with a dog. It supports up to 450 pounds and uses high-density drop-stitch PVC that can handle scrapes against rocks without popping. It features grab handles and an adjustable shoulder strap, which is a lifesaver for solo carrying. The double bungee system is amazing. However, you should know that the hand pump makes it really tough to reach the recommended pressure without some serious struggle. We also noticed that the stitching on the carrying backpack is a bit weak and can pull right apart if you pull your straps too tight. Some users reported missing ankle leashes, but customer service is very quick to send replacements. It's a massive, durable, and highly stable board. It's a top-tier pick for anyone who wants a worry-free, extremely comfortable ride on their summer lake trips. And that wraps up the top 5 best paddle boards for lakes. We hope this guide makes your buying decision much easier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Have fun out there on the water this summer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one very soon.